Um, Good morning, dear guests, dear colleagues. My presentation is for new biotechnology, which are future of testing and therapy, non-drugs therapy. That's why I'm from Bulgaria, and I think for our foreigner guest and colleague, they can read my slides, and for our Bulgarian guest, I think it's better to speak to them Bulgarian language. What do you think? Speak for overview English, or just write in English and I talk to you in Bulgarian language? Как мислите българските гости?
It's your choice.
It's my choice.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then I speak Bulgarian language and you can read my slides. Or if you have question in English, later I will answer. I'm going to start with Nikola Tesla, engineer and physics. He says if we want to understand the world, we should think of frequency, vibration and energy. Only 1 minute to introduce myself. I'm master in science in physiotherapy, and I'm on the process to do, I will speak English. Okay, I'm in the process to do my doctorate degree, and my searching with there will be in my doctorate degree work, and that's why I'm going to introduce that to you now. Wolfgang Goethe, he says, he's German philosopher. He says, if you know more, then you see further. That means nowadays, the technology which I am going to present, then be proved in the years, not from last 8 years. The base of those technology are from East medicine, Chinese medicine, Indian medicine, because Indian and Chinese medicine, they are foundation of development of those technology. You know, any part in our body is connection with our function. That means we should see the person holistic, in a holistic way, in a three parts, like a body, tissues, our psychical, emotional condition, and our energy condition, and condition of information process between the cells, tissue, and organs in our body. And how is going to be tested? In these days, there is devices for measurement through our segments, through our dermatomes, from information of vegetative nerve system, part of sympathicus and parasympathicus. Also, you know enough from philosophy, 5 elements of Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine, I already told you, there is basic information for development and non-drug technology today. Also, Nobel Prize, Max Planck. He got a Nobel Prize for quantization of energy. The word is no material, is frequency, fluctuations, and every material is made from frequency. If you think in this direction, you will understand more of what I mean. Because you know that our cells, they have a certain vibration. You know, I think that our tissues, they have also certain vibration because they have a certain function. And also it's connected with our organs. Academic Vedensky also told that our organism is neurophysiological complex, about electrical and mechanical corroborated organs and systems. Also, I think some of you know of researches of Dr. Rife from America. He was he was falling in love with microbiology, and now the last news I'm going to tell you, in Amsterdam is opened the museum of microorganisms who we cannot see them. Many of them, you know, that they affect in negative aspect our health, like pathological microorganisms. Rife could find the frequency of many pathological viruses and microorganisms, and with their own frequency, he gave us the methods of neutralization, their activity in our body. Dr. Fall.
Excuse me, dear colleague, because we have a limit time for the presentation.
Okay.
You know that 10 minutes.
I think first colleague got a half hour,
Yeah,
and
half
if
hour.
I get 20 minutes, be alright for me.
Well, 20 it's too much because
Okay.
it's a session.
Okay,
Yeah.
good,
Please.
good. I try 50. Okay, good. Also, Dr. Fall has found our oven frequency in our body. German doctor François Morel has found that our oven frequency in our body can be used for treatments and therapy. And he created with Engineer Rocher morotherapy. And you have to know that our livable and unlivable organism, they have materials, they have oven frequency. I'm going to present for 2 minutes the possibility of testing of our organism through our segments, through information which, through our dermatomes, through information which give us our vegetative nerve system. Nowadays it's possible, topic of my doctoral degree, I'm working with basketball team of 2 towns, men in Bulgaria, and I already tested them. And in 1-2 years after finishing my doctoral degree, we will have interesting material about my research. Through this testing machine, we can test physical conditions in our organs and system, condition of our energy, our condition of our pH level of organism, and condition of our vertebra segments. Every segment is responsible for function in our body. And to tell you which organism is in a good health condition. The good health condition organism which when he have homeostatic frequency, normal healthy frequency of our vibration, and unhealthy organism, which in organism persist different pathogenic microorganisms which they affect our unhealthy frequency. Through this testing, we can see in percentage the norm, the hypofunction and hyperfunction of all of our system. If the hyperfunction comes to inflammation, or if the hypofunction comes to degeneration. All of our segments are responsible for any function of our organs. So if we say we can see the condition of our energy, it's very important. Livable organism have an energy. Unlivable organism is 0. Yeah. Also, condition of our hour is connected with function of any part of our organs and systems. We can also combine measurement between first testing after the treatments and second measurement and see the level in percentage condition of our body and our systems. And of course, with this testing, we can find which microorganism, but it's not going to speak about it now, active in acute form, in chronic form, in transitory form, or information form. Some of them are oncological, you know that. The scientists have proved that we can affect our organs and system, brain, function of nerve system, endocrine system. And they have developed different technology with which they can affect our health condition without drugs, with our oven frequency or with frequency in pathological microorganisms. It's without very few contraindication, but this way of treatments can give us quick result because it's not worked through the nerve system or through the digestive system. It's worked with our information system of our body, which is on the first level of process in our function. And the second level, biological, chemical process, and so on. That's a few contraindications. Those therapy is endogenical and exogenical. Endogenical bioresonance therapy is very clever therapy because it's work with our oven frequency. Don't take any energy from the body. Exogenical bioresonance therapy is nowadays the scientists have created different devices for that purpose. It's very effective, this therapy. It's about 80% is proved because the last 30, 40 years there is many researches.
If you can go to the conclusion.
Yes, I'm going to the conclusion. Yes, of course. My PhD is also supported of Biomedis research company from Russia, and they are creator for those technology. And they are #1 in the world with creation of those technology. They connected innovation and tradition. And how my colleagues spoke with mobile systems and telephones, they created last days with Android operation system, with mini USB, the treatment possibility. The future belongs to non-drugs bioresonance, modern technology. It's integrated with holistic individual approach to the patient. Also, different way in this holistic manner to treat with nutrition. Also, to wish overview, to have this beauty outside and inside of you. That was my presentation. Thank you for your attention.